If you're looking for a seamless streaming experience, you've come to the right place. Marinios IPTV offers over 25,000 live TV channels and tons of movies. Start by visiting their official website to sign up for a subscription. You'll find various plans available, so select one that suits your needs. Think about how much content you want access to.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flame by the light.
Next, make sure your device is compatible. Marinios IPTV works on various platforms like Fire Stick, Android TV, and smart TVs. Download their app from the store or their website, depending on your device. After installation, open the app and log in using your credentials from the subscription. A common mistake is overlooking the settings. Check that your internet connection is stable and adjust the streaming quality to avoid buffering. Finally, don't forget to explore their extensive library of content, including sports, movies, and international channels. For the ultimate experience, consider checking out 2TV Store, your go-to for the best IPTV provider. Find the link below in the description to start streaming today.